Hi friends, what if JAMB care to repeat this question? How will you solve it? Let me show you how you can solve it. Now, we are told to solve for x in x root x equal to 8. Solution, x root x are equal to 8. Without wasting time, we shall um, change this x root x to look like x dot x raised to the power 2 all equal to 8. I applied a rule or one of the rules in indices that says root a is equal to a raised to the power. So applying this rule here, you have that x dot x raised to the power 1 over 2 equals to 8. Now, I continue. Now, obviously, in mathematics, x is the same thing as x raised to the power 1. So x raised to the power 1 multiplied by x raised to the power 1 over 2 equals 8. Since we are multiplying the indices, right, we shall add their power. The powers are x raised to the power 1 plus half, all equal to 8. All right, adding their powers, we have x raised to the power 1 whole number 1 over 2, all equal to 8. This is a mixed fraction. So x raised to the power 3 over 2. We change this mixed fraction to improper fraction by saying 2 multiply 1, 1 plus 2, 3 over 2. So that's x raised to the power 3 over 2 equals 8. Now, we shall look for a way to remove this exponent here, the 3 over 2. How do we do that? By introducing the multiplicative inverse. In mathematics, multiplicative inverse means any number you can use to multiply a particular number or a given number so that everything will be equal to 0. And the resultant, the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. So that 3 goes with 3, 2 goes with 2, everything equal to 1. So applying it here, I have that x raised to the power 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3, all equal to whatever you did to the left hand side, you also do to the right hand side. So we have 8 raised to the power 2 over 3. All right, let me wipe off this portion. Now we have x is equal to 8 raised to the power 2 over 3. All right, so in mathematics or in indices, you have there's a rule that says x raised to the power n over m is equal to m root of x or to the power of n. All right, so if I apply this law here, we have that x is equal to the cube root of 8 multiplied by all square. All right. Now here we mean a number that will multiply itself 3 times to give us 8. A number under this square root sign that will multiply itself 3 times. And that number is no other than 8 because 8 is than 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So that number is 2 all square. All right, so that x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, x is equal to 4. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye.